business and major products?
Our core business, we are Gayatri Projects is primarily construction, contracting is the main business of EPC contracts in roads, irrigation, steel plants, heavy constructions. Is the main core base, and now we are entering into new lines like infrastructure development like roads, and we are already owning 5 road projects.
Projects?
Which ones?
The 5 projects?
5 projects are totally about investment around 2,000 crores, total investment of the 5 projects. Each project average investment is around 300 to 400 crores.
And how much fresh investment or projects do you expect in next 1 year?
Next 1 year we are expecting at least another 1,000 crores of BOT projects, and order book of we'll grow order book of another 1,000 crores at least in 1 year.
All these are government projects?
Yes, government projects.
What has been the growth rate, I would say, compared?
Last 2-3 years we have been growing at the rate of 30-40%, and in the future also next 3 years we will grow with the present order book of 3,500 crores. We will grow at the rate of about 40% top line.
What have been your major achievements in the last 1 year?
Last 1 year we have achieved financial closure on our nearly 4 of our BOT projects, and they have taken off here.
What are your company's unique strengths?
Unique strengths, we own a lot of our equipment compared to our other peers in the industry. So we have better control over our projects instead of outsourcing equipment and subcontractors. That's our unique strength.
These equipments you are taking on lease? Or?
No, we are purchasing. We are having owning equipment.
How much investments has gone?
Total equipment we are owning gross block of around 200 crores.
What are the major triggers for growth?
Major triggers for growth, I think the infrastructure sector, with the country growing at 9% GDP, infrastructure, a lot of investment is happening. So next 10 years, at least till 2015, I think the construction industry is expected to grow at the rate of 30-40% per annum with so much investment. So that will give us enough opportunities in our existing road sector, which is getting the major component of the investment. And then also we are looking at growing into other sectors like power, construction of power plants, and also probably development of a couple of power plants also we are looking at. Already we are quite strong in roads. We are looking at now infrastructure development into power plants.
What initiatives you have taken to add more value into your products?
Add more value, as I told you, we are a contracting company, we don't have any products. So we are able to competitively bid in government projects, and we are able to complete in the last 40 years.
How are your profit margins? Are they improving?
Profit margin is around 13 to 15%. EBITDA margin, but improving in the sense that is as per we are better than the other market players in the company, in the industry.
What are your expansion plans?
We will like to grow our contracting business at the rate of 30 to 40%. And also in that contracting business, probably 1/3 should be from our own constructions, own BOT projects, and at the same ratio we would like to grow.
Are you entering into some joint ventures?
We are entering into a number of joint ventures. We are already having a joint venture with IDFC for a couple of road projects, Metas, and now we are looking at DLF for a joint venture in road projects. We are talking to DLF and a number of other people.
What would you like to say about the quality standards being followed in your company?
Quality, we are already an ISO 9000 company. We are maintaining all the latest qualities, and we maintain all our road, we have quality laboratory standards, because all our projects are having some of the projects are governed by international consultants, because being World Bank projects, as per international standards, all the labs and quality assurance program is being maintained by our company.
How the payments come in time?
Payments, we are working mainly for the NHAI and major World Bank projects, so we don't have any payment problem.
What are the challenges you feel?
Challenges today for growth is mainly, I think, availability of manpower and managerial staff. That is one of the major challenges now. Otherwise, there is enough work to grow even at 100%.
What are the opportunities?
I told you, opportunities are tremendous in infrastructure. Next 10 years, I think there will be at least more than 30%, 40% growth is achievable.
How do you look at competition?
Competition is there in every sector, but we also have our advantages and strengths, so we are able to compete and get the projects.
What's your experience after the IPO? Means how you have been able to benefit by that?
So we have been able to now expand because being a now public company, we are able to now access more capital and we are able to grow faster.
Would you like to come out with a follow-up offer or?
No, we have already raised the $25 million, approximately 100 crores of FCCB 5 months back. So now presently we don't have any plans immediately to come off with any offer.
What's your goal and how do you foresee your company in next 5 years?
As I told you, our goal is to be primarily focused on infrastructure development along with contracting, strength in contracting, so and grow at the rate of at least 30-40% in the contracting business.
Anything else you would like to say about the company?
That's it. I don't think.